Park Ranger 2150, Change of Attachment. In this video, we will show you how easy and quick it is for you to change between different attachments on a Park Ranger 2150. In this case, a snow sweeper and salt and sand spreader is being replaced with a mulch mower and a storing deck. Park the machine and switch off the engine. Place the locking handle on the A-frame of the machine in the open position. Release the support bracket and move it under the brush to protect it. Disconnect the hydraulic hoses on both sides of the machine and put the protective caps on the snap couplings. And bear in mind when disconnecting, always to place hydraulic hoses so that they are protected. Start the engine and lower the A-frame until the sweeper sits on the ground and then pull away from the attachment. You are now ready to fit the mulch mower. The hoses must be kept clear from the A-frame and the locking handle must be in the open position. Drive up to the mower so that the two A-frames engage. Lift the A-frame until the support wheels are raised clear off the ground. Lock the mower in place with the locking handle. And fit the hydraulic hoses to the connectors. The roller stand allows you to remove the salt and sand spreader without assistance. Just push it under the machine. Disconnect the hydraulic hoses. Unlock the handle at the back of the machine. Lift and pull away the roller stand. Make sure that all hydraulic hoses and the electrical plug are disconnected and that they are not stuck when you reverse. Place the storage deck and secure it with the locking handle, and you are now ready to continue your work.